The app that we are going to be building today is a portfolio website. And as you can see here, we have a menu at the top that says the Fluidist Programmer. Then we have 4 nav options. One is About, Skills, Projects, and Contact. And if I hover on each of them, you will see that we have some smooth transition on the border bottom of each link. Then we have a photo of myself here with my flute. And then it says, hi, I am the Flutist Programmer. Of course, all these tests can be changed to whatever you guys want. Then we have here 4 statements that will be changing after a certain time. I think that the time lapse is like 2 or 3 seconds, and then it just moves on to the next one. Then we have here a button that says View My Work. This will be redirecting you to another section. The next one that we have here is About Me. And then here, of course, you will be putting a brief description of yourself and telling what you do and all that stuff. Then we have the skills, where you will be putting all the skills that you have in order for the people to know what do you do for a living. And then here, if I click on the View My Work that we have on the top, we'll be redirected to My Projects. And here on My Projects, as you see, we have different cards that they have some slight elevation at the top. And basically here we will be putting all the history of the projects and the companies that we have been working for. And for the last, we have the Get in Touch section, that here is where you will be listing the social networks that you are in. So in this way, the people or the person, the recruiters or whatever person is interested in you, they can reach out to you through any of those links. Good. And for the last, we have the footer that is quite similar to the menu that we have at the top. We have the same 4 links to About, Projects, Email, and LinkedIn. And then we have something at the bottom that says 2025, the Fluidist Programmer, Designer, and JavaScript with tons of music. Good. So all of this is what we are going to be building today. We are going to do on this lesson lots of CSS. Of course, we have some JavaScript configuration too, but this lesson is going to be more heavy focus on CSS because we will be building also some responsiveness. So if I, for example, here click on Inspect and I want to go to the mobile version, you will see that also we have here another version that is that could be responsive and is adaptive for the mobile resolution. So that's why we are going to be spending more time on the CSS. And the last thing that I wanted to show you is that this part of the mobile resolution wouldn't be possible if we wouldn't be able to use the media queries in this case. So let's go to the coding session because we are going to have fun on this lesson.